Hey guys and gals, Dev G again. Let's just talk a little bit more about Agile PMO and adaptive governance. This time we're going to talk about artifacts. Now, this brings us to the most underused artifact in the Agile PMO toolkit. It's what we call the Value Realization Report, or VRR. Here's the deal: too many PMOs stop at outputs. We're talking status reports, burn downs, velocity charts. But adaptive governance isn't about how much we delivered, it's about how much value was realized. The Value Realization Report, or VRR, is where evidence replaces opinion. It captures the actual outcomes of what we built: adoption, ROI, OKR alignment, and lessons learned. We built it at the start of the with the value hypothesis. We updated it every PI and validated it post release. And so our governance decisions are always informed by fresh evidence and not outdated assumptions. When you walk into a governance review with a VRR, you're not asking for approval, you're providing proof. Because in adaptive governance, evidence is the new currency of trust. All right, guys. Follow, comment. Talk to you guys later.